How to download and install Instagram. It's a very simple and a quick process, so without any further ado, let's jump right into the video. Well, it's a similar process for both iOS and Android users. All you want to do is head over to Play Store if you're on your Android device, and if you're on your iOS, move into App Store. Once you're in this page, in the search bar, search for Instagram. Move into this app. Well, if you haven't downloaded the application, then you will see the option of install. All you want to do is click on install, and this app will start to install it on a device. All you have to do is wait for the downloading process to be completed. And there you can see that the Instagram has been successfully installed on a device. Now you can simply tap on open. Enter a login credential or create an account if you don't have one, and then you can easily use this application on a device. You'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can install and download Instagram on a device. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next one.